Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super cute top knot bun with extensions, I did it very easily. If you want to see how I got it, keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I am starting off with freshly washed and shampooed hair. This is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, it grew out a lot. But to form or get my bun together, I am pulling my hair up in sections, as you can see, and I'm making sure to pull the sections relatively tightly, just to make sure there's no lumps or nothing. I don't have the thickest hair, so this is a pretty easy thing for me to do. But if you have bigger hair, just do smaller sections. It's really easy. And as you can see, I put my hair up into a loose bun, and now I'm finna get my spray bottle and spritz my hair with water because I'm about to add product, and you don't want to add product to dry hair. So I am dampening my hair, and then I'm going to rub the water in. After that's done, I'm taking this nourishing coconut milk conditioner and I'm going to rub that into my hair. This is going to be my moisturizer. I do what I want to do, so I use conditioners, just to moisturize my hair, and I like this conditioner. So yeah, and now I'm taking my oil and I'm making sure to put that on top as a base for the gel, so it don't be too rough in my hair, but also to seal in the moisture. And then now I'm taking my Evolve detangling brush and I'm brushing my hair up, getting it nice and smooth. And then I'm doing another loose ponytail, and I'm taking my Gorilla Snot. I'm going to get a nice amount of it, and I'm just going to work this all around my hair. As you can see, and as you may know, Gorilla Snot has a very tacky texture to it, and it's my favorite gel to use when I'm doing styles that I want to last multiple days because it keeps your hair in place, it really does. And now I'm taking the ponytail holder off, and I'm finally going in with my hard bristle brush, and we are getting these hairs into place. And as you can tell, I want this to be as smooth as possible, so I'm still brushing. And once I get done, I'm going to take just one ponytail holder and wrap that around about 4 times. After my hair is pulled up, I'm taking some more Gorilla Snot and I'm going to apply that all around the perimeter of my hair, because when you are tying your hair up into a ponytail, some hairs get out of place, and I want this to be sleek. So I did that. And I'm also going to go in with my hard bristle brush. And after I do that, it is time to get into these baby hairs. Now, like I was telling y'all, that Gorilla Snot ain't no joke. So I had to spray my edges before I tried to pull the hair out because I did not want to break them. And now I'm just laying them. As you can see, I haven't did one of these little segments in the video in a minute of me just laying my edges. I don't think I have. So yeah, this is me doing that. I do a swoop motion. It's very simple. My wrist, my hair, everything is used to doing this, so it's very easy for me. But I'm going to be quiet and just let y'all watch me finish my edges. And after I'm all done laying my edges, it's time to work on the actual length of my hair. So I'm spraying water on it, as you can see, and I'm going to take more of the coconut milk conditioner, and I'm also going to mix it up with my oil and just scrunch that into my hair. I am not trying to lose like the volume in my hair. I want a pretty nice size bun, so I'm just scrunching it, but still making sure, you know, I am getting moisture into my hair. And then after I do that, it's time to get the weave out. So this is my track. I'm straightening it out, you know, making sure it's whatever. I put a bobby pin at the very beginning, and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair. Y'all know how to wrap a track around, you know, a ponytail. You know, just make sure it's not getting tangled up. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be pulled around into a bun. But once it's done being wrapped around, I'm putting the bobby pin on the other, the other end of it, I guess, just to keep it in place. And then I'm about to just wrap the hair around itself to form my bun. And I'm just going to mold it into place. I'm going to put multiple bobby pins. I'm going to finesse it and make it look right, make it look natural. And this little curl right here, I'm actually going to leave it out so I can define it in a little bit. But after I get done with the bobby pins, I'm going to apply another ponytail holder. It's a new one, so it, you know, it's pretty tight, just to give my hair like extra, like an extra anchor, I guess. And I'm going to spritz the actual puff itself in this curl with water, because water really does give, not the puff, I'm sorry, the bun, it makes it look like a cotton ball almost, like it just helps it look really pretty. So after I do that, I'm going to put some product on this curl. I actually combed it off camera, and just, you know, straight it out. It's my hair, so it's going to help the bun look extra natural. And then yeah, this is what it's looking like. Adding more gel because obviously I wrap the track around, and you know, I want my hair to look sleek. Going in with my toothbrush just to really sleek it up, make sure no hair is out of place. So I was putting in this last bobby pin, the darndest thing happened. It was storming outside and our power went dark. So I turned on my little handy light I have for moments like this, and this is how my hair looked once I got done. Obviously it was dark, I couldn't do much more with my hair, so this is what was done, and it looks really, really good even in this lighting. And just a wee bit later, the lights was back on, and I went to the bathroom to do a proper spin around. This one was actually for Instagram, so that's why the camera is vertical, but yeah. Hours later, this is what my hair looked like once everything fully dried. It was actually my birthday today. I filmed this, so I did my makeup, made myself look really cute, and this is that. I think I look pretty if I say so myself. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result of my bun. It's been hours. I didn't even wrap my hair up, and as you can tell, it held up pretty well for the most part. It's nice and still sleek. My baby hairs are still laying. They aren't perfect, but they're still laying, and might I add, it's been hours. But yeah, that is how my bun is looking. What I like most about this bun is that it is mostly my hair. Like, my hair has grown out so much, y'all, so it is mostly my hair, but the longer extensions really did help me kind of form it into the way I want it. And yeah, I mean, this is my little curl. This is my hair right there. That's my curl. But yeah, that's it for this bun tutorial. So if you all liked and enjoyed it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want. Do you use hair extensions to kind of help the appearance of your styles? Let me know. Comment that down below. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I want to see you in my next one. Bye.